What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is another video talking about hot water heaters. Today I'm going to be adjusting the bottom thermostat so that I can turn the water temperature up in our house. This is a hot water heater that we just had installed, and the plumber that did it told me that he turned it on to the minimum because we have children. He was worried, but we have scold guards on our diverters. In the future, we'll make a video about that, adjusting the scold guard. What that does is, so no matter how hot your water is coming out of the water heater, it mixes cold water with the hot water at the diverter itself so that the water temperature can't be over. You can set it with a range. It's not really numbers, it's clicks, but you can make sure you keep it under like 115 degrees. So if you have children and they accidentally turn it all the way to hot, that it's not gonna like burn their skin and things like that. But we're gonna crank it up here at the hot water heater so that we can get as much hot water as possible to those scold guards. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. First thing, like always, turn the power off before you're working on anything that has electricity. Bottom, we already did the top on a short, which maybe that'll be linked, I don't know, but you can find it on our channel. But now we're gonna adjust the bottom one. So what you wanna do is, you got two panels, top, bottom, and this is where the heating elements go in and out of your hot water heater. This is what a heating element looks like. It's literally just a rod that conducts electricity. Like if you've ever had an electric oven that has eyes, exposed eyes, and they get red and they get hot, this is almost the exact same concept, except it's 240 volt instead of 110. And this goes in, the washer keeps the water inside, and you hook the power up to the back, and as the electricity passes through it, it heats up, which heats the water. And that's located behind this panel, behind insulation and behind your thermostat. So to take it off, one screw right at the top. Then the bottom of the panel is going to just pull out. All right. Next, we're going to open up our insulation like so. And right here is your thermostat, and you can see it's turned almost all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to turn it up, and I'm going to turn it up a little bit past. You can see where it recommends that black line at the bottom. I'm going to turn it up a little bit past that, just so we can get the maximum hot water heater. And then I'm going to close it back up. After you push the insulation back in, you want to slide the bottom of the panel in all the way down, push it up, put the screw in, after you close it back up, turn the power on at the breaker, and once that's done, your water heater is going to be heating up water so that there'll be warmer water going to your diverters throughout the day. That's another video brought to you by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.